So right in here, like that, and then I can start to rotate that leg like that. Ischial tuberosity here, your sit bone. So sometimes you need work right here. G'day guys, Ninja here. We're going to do a glute video today. External rotation of the glutes, this sort of movement. So when your foot's here and it goes in like that. So I'm going to get my celebrity anatomy expert in. Come over here, mate. This is Blake. He bloody knows so much about anatomy, you're going to be bamboozled here. So show us where these glute muscles are, these really deep ones.
So they're going to originate on this top of the femur here, the greater trochanter, and they're going to run across underneath the glute, and they're going to attach onto the sacrum here. So someone that might have some issues there, they might be sort of standing and their foot might be slightly turned out. Pain symptoms can be similar to some glute issues or high hamstring issues. And Ninja's going to show us today how he's going to treat it.
Yeah, show us them from the book a little bit as well.
Alright, so I just want to show you guys what the muscles are that we are working on today. So I've got these ones here, so that's the top of the femur and they're coming across to the sacrum. So we've got the quadratus femoris, inferior and superior gemellus, and the obturator internus there as well.
All right, let's do some treatment. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's fix me. Or potential client. Potential client.
This could be you.
Very important we give him a good wedgie here.
Oh,
so we get access to the areas we want to get into, yeah. So we might just do a little bit of a warm up for a start. Just with the elbow. So we want to pull up into there, and we want to go down through these muscles here. You're right there, Jace? Yeah, you good?
That's pretty sore.
Pretty sore. So I want to pull back into where the sacrum is and hit those tendons where the you love that? Just wait till we get in there deeper. So you notice that in the diagram that Blake was showing us, there's lots of muscles over the top of those. Like the glute max is over the top, so we've got to push through that and get to the sacrum there where these deep glute muscles are attaching on. So in here,
yep, you got it. Easy.
Like that, like that. So yeah,
trying to relax it.
And just where one of the things to notice is the femur the femur bone. It's got this thing that comes out here, so the muscles go across onto there. So it's a pretty interesting design, how it kind of goes into a socket, then it's got a different shape, and then the muscles attach on over to here. So we want to get all these attachments here first, like that.
Yeah, you got something there, Ninja.
So then we can worry about where they attach onto there.
Good thing I did deadlift earlier today.
Yeah, pretty sore already. Like that. He's going well.
Good start.
So a lot of times people have a real specific pain in these kind of spots, and then they'll really know. So now I'll get a bit more dynamic, but I'll do it so that you can see at home. So I want to push right up into there, and then I can kind of start to move the leg in like that. So I can, when I'm moving it in, it can really exaggerate the spot that I'm on, as Jace is finding out. So right in here, like that. And as I pull in, I can feel resistance. So when I want to keep on working and holding and pinning these spots until that resistance subsides. Like that.
Good.
So we can even go out a little bit. See what happens when we do that. Is that good?
Yeah.
So we're still pinning those same attachment points, pushing right in deep, and just trying to get that movement back. Change angles. Like that. Try one where the legs not as bent. Like that. Yeah. So we systematically work on all these spots until we feel like they're all clear. Go down towards the coccyx, coccyx a bit more and push right into there.
Right up in there.
Yeah, right up in there.
Yeah, right in there.
Right up in there.
Right up in there.
There we go.
Stay tuned for our pelvic floor.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't see what I'm doing because the elbow's in there. I'm get a thumb in there.
Oh.
How's that?
Yeah.
You cannot see it. His thumb's disappeared. Just try and pull that cheek back a little bit.
Oh,
We
Jesus.
can do that sort of thing.
Oh, the other one's
Just really pin that spot.
Yeah. Oh. It's good.
You're really coming to get some.
Oh.
Oh. And then I'll come around this side. So we want to catch where the they attach onto here as well. Knowing our philosophy here, we always go for the tendons. So that's where the stress is bearing, is on the tendons, because they're the things that pull the bones towards each other across the joint. So that's where all the stress is. That's where they need to be a lot tougher and stronger. They're made out of different material, so that's where we can actually make the change in the body. If we can kind of take some of that rigidity and stress, tension out of where it's all kind of scarred up in a way, solidified up because of the traumas, many micro tears or whatever, or a big trauma that's healed up and over scarred or whatever, you can take that away. So I can get in there and then I can start to rotate that leg like that.
Yeah.
You picking that up there, Matty?
Yeah.
Pin right on, and when I'm going that way, I can feel it really pushing up into my elbow, and then I know that I'm really engaged with the right muscle. I just hold onto that and try and get that a lot smoother with the movement, a lot less rigid and solid.
Oh.
Out.
Oh, that's gonna be all.
Get on there when I go out.
Oh. Then.
The other thing when we're doing this as well, we can do it, we're sort of testing in a way the range and things like that. So if it's not going out that way that well, we know that we might have to look at the adductors as well. So they're the ones that pull the leg out like that.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
The glutes ones go in there like that. So it's a good kind of diagnostic as well. Pain is the real good diagnostic though. Like if there's intense sensation when you're working on things, and you know that it's good for you when you're actually receiving that pressure, then you know that you're going to be better in the future.
Oh, that's
Like
yeah,
that.
there.
And
Oh.
Another little one is
Oh.
quite often people don't know
Oh.
if it's a hammy or if it's the bottom of the glute. So you got your ischial tuberosity here, your sit bone. So sometimes you need to work right here.
Oh.
Sorry about that, guys. The towel's coming down a bit. But yeah, you want to hold that like that. So you do this with the elbow, but it's probably visually better with the thumb. You can see what I'm doing a bit better.
Jesus.
Like that.
Let me go on there.
Yeah.
Oh.
So tell me, Jace,
Yep.
with pain down in these sort of spots here,
What's good?
sometimes back pain could be, or or it's not just lack of movement or pain locally. Sometimes there's lower back pain, or that are kind of disconnected. I'll just do one more bit and then we can let you have a rest.
Keep. Oh.
So just there,
Oh.
like that. We can get right into it.
Oh.
So yeah, this might help with the flow of the nerves down the leg. So if you've got a hammy or a calf that's got referred pain into it, freeing up these kind of spots will really help that out as well.
These can also refer pain up into the back certain times. So.
Yeah. But there you go.
Oh. Wowza.
Yeah. You'll be internally rotating that leg really well now,
Yeah,
mate.
yeah. Can feel that movement already.
Yeah.
Way better.
Yeah.
Thanks, Deej.
Yeah. So thanks Blake for that bloody marvellous
Anatomy lesson.
and Jack.
For
Number one
watching.
spectator. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good. subscribe, like, share, all that sort of stuff. Thank you to our Patreon members. We really appreciate your support, and anybody else there that watches our videos, really appreciate you tuning in. Hopefully you're getting a lot out of watching this. And
Cop some merch, maybe.
Yeah, buy some t-shirts, whatever. Just do
Also
whatever you
on
can to support
Instagram
us.
as well, TikTok now.
Yeah, yeah. So do it all. Done. Maybe I can get a celebrity anatomy expert in on this video.
Yeah, yep.
I think someone that knows a bit about glutes.
Jack.
Chiropractic work first. Jeez.
Really?
Really?
Oh,